Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Enjoy English Talks, where every conversation helps you learn. I'm Judy.
Hello, Judy. Hello, everyone. I'm Jake. How are you today, Judy?
I'm great today, thank you. I made soup last night, a big pot of vegetable soup. It was so good. And you, Jake, how are you?
I'm frustrated today, Judy. A little angry at myself.
Frustrated? That means upset because something is hard. Why are you frustrated?
I listened to an English podcast yesterday, a real one, not a lesson, and I understood maybe 30%.
30%? That's actually not bad, Jake.
Not bad? I didn't understand 70%. That's a lot of words I missed.
But you understood 30%. 6 months ago, maybe you understood 10%. You're growing.
Maybe, but I want to understand more. I want to listen and feel, yes, I got it.
And that's exactly our topic today.
Oh, what are we talking about?
Today, I have 5 tips to help you listen better and understand more English.
5 tips? I need all of them. Let's go.
But first, we have a small request.
Yes, if you like our podcasts, please click the like button.
Please subscribe to Enjoy English Talks.
And share this episode with your friends and family.
Thank you. It helps us so much.
We love our listeners.
Okay, now let's start. First, let me talk about the problem, the enemy.
The enemy? We have an enemy?
Yes, the enemy is this feeling. I don't understand. The words are too fast. It's too hard. I want to stop.
That's exactly how I feel. The words fly by and my brain says, I can't catch them.
Many learners feel this way, but here's the good news. You can train your ears. You can get better, and I'll show you how.
Show me, please.
Okay, let me teach you 5 tips, 5 ways to listen better and understand more English. Tip number 1, find your level.
Find my level. What does level mean?
Level means how easy or difficult something is. Level. Think of stairs. Step 1 is easy. Step 10 is very hard. Your level is the step you're on right now.
Okay, so I need to find my step.
Exactly. Many learners make this mistake. They listen to CNN or a fast podcast for native speakers, people who grew up speaking English, and they understand nothing.
That's me. I tried listening to a fast podcast once. I understood 3 words. Just 3.
3 words? And one of them was probably the.
Yes! How did you know?
Because the is in every sentence. You hear it all the time.
I also heard and, so that's 2 easy words.
Because that podcast isn't your level. It's too high. You need to find your level. Listen to something that's a little difficult, not too easy, not too hard.
A little difficult, so I understand most of it, but not all of it.
Yes, if you understand 70 or 80%, that's your level. You understand enough to follow the story, but there are some new words that help you grow.
70 or 80%. That's a good number.
And where do you find this level? Easy English podcasts, children's TV shows, easy readers, simple books for learners, slow English videos. These are all great for beginners.
Like this podcast.
Yes, like this podcast. We're your level, Jake.
So tip 1 is don't listen to things that are too hard. Find my level first.
Exactly. Find your level, start there, and over time, your level will go up. What's hard today will be easy next month.
What's hard today will be easy next month. I like that.
That's the magic of practice.
But how do I know if a podcast is my level?
Listen for 5 minutes. If you understand most of it, that's your level. If you understand nothing, it's too hard. Find something easier.
5 minutes. That's a good test.
Our second tip, listen twice.
Listen twice? 2 times?
Yes, this tip is very strong, very helpful. When you listen to something in English, listen to it 2 times. Not 1, 2.
But why 2 times?
Because the first time and the second time are different. The first time you listen for the big picture, the general idea. What's the story about? Who's talking? What's the feeling?
The big picture, just the general idea.
You don't worry about every word. You just listen and try to understand the main point.
Okay, and the second time?
The second time, you listen for details, new words, small phrases, things you missed the first time.
So first time big picture, second time details.
Exactly. And you'll be surprised. The second time, you'll understand much more because your brain already knows the story.
That makes sense. My brain is ready the second time.
Let me give you an example. You listen to our podcast. The first time, just enjoy it. Walk, cook, relax. Just listen. The second time, pay more attention. Notice the new words.
I can do that. Listen once for fun, listen again to learn.
Perfect. Once for fun, again to learn. I love that. And you can do this with anything. A podcast, a video, a song, even a short conversation.
Even a short conversation? Like our podcast?
Yes. Listen to our episode one time while you walk, then listen again while you cook. The second time, you'll catch new things.
Catch new things. I like that idea.
And here's a secret. Every time you listen again, you hear something new. Your ears get better each time.
My ears get better. Like going to the gym, but for my ears.
Exactly. A gym for your ears. I love that.
Tip 2, listen twice. First for the big picture, then for the details.
Next up, use subtitles.
Subtitles. What are subtitles?
Subtitles are the words on the screen when you watch something, the text at the bottom of a video or a movie. subtitles. Subtitles.
Oh, I know subtitles. I use them all the time.
Good. Subtitles are a very helpful tool, but many learners use them the wrong way.
The wrong way? How?
They only read the subtitles. They don't listen. Their eyes do the work, but their ears do nothing.
That's me. I read the subtitles and I forget to listen.
So here's my tip. Use subtitles in 3 steps.
3 steps?
Step 1, watch with English subtitles. Read and listen together. This helps you match the sound with the word.
Read and listen together.
Step 2, watch the same thing again, but this time cover the subtitles or turn them off. Just use your ears.
Turn them off? That's scary.
It's a little scary, but you already know the story, so your brain can focus on the sounds.
Focus. What does focus mean?
Focus means to pay attention to one thing. Focus. When you focus, you give all your attention, all your energy to one thing.
Focus on the sounds, not the words on the screen.
Yes. And step 3, watch something new without subtitles. Just try. See how much you understand.
3 steps. Subtitles on, subtitles off, then something new.
You got it. It's like training wheels on a bicycle. First you use them, then you take them off, and one day you ride by yourself.
I like that picture. Training wheels for my ears.
Exactly. Over time, you'll need subtitles less and less.
Tip 3, use subtitles but don't depend on them.
Don't depend on them. That's a perfect way to say it. Here comes tip 4. Pause and repeat.
Pause and repeat. That sounds simple.
It's simple, but it really works. When you hear a sentence and you don't understand, pause. Pause. Pause means to stop for a moment.
I press the pause button.
Yes. Press pause, think about what you heard, try to guess the meaning, and then repeat. Repeat. Repeat means to do something again. Play the sentence again.
So I stop, I think, and I listen again.
Exactly. And you can do this many times. 3 times, 5 times, 10 times. There's no limit.
No limit? I can listen 10 times?
Yes, 10 times is great. That's the best thing about podcasts and videos. You can pause and repeat as many times as you want. The audio doesn't get tired. It doesn't say, again, really?
The audio is very patient.
The most patient teacher in the world.
In a real conversation, I can't press pause.
No, you can't pause a real person. But when you practice with audio and video, pause everything. Go back. Listen again.
Let me try. Can you say a sentence?
Sure. She picked up the phone and called her friend.
She picked up the phone and called her friend.
Did you understand?
Yes, picked up, she took the phone. Called, she talked to her friend on the phone.
Perfect. You paused, you thought, and you understood. That's the power of pause and repeat.
Tip 4, pause and repeat. Stop, think, and listen again.
And our last tip, listen to things you love.
Things I love, like music?
Yes, music, movies, TV shows, cooking videos, sports, travel, anything you love.
But how does that help my English?
Because when you love something, you pay attention, you want to understand, you're excited, and your brain learns faster when it's excited.
My brain learns faster when I'm excited.
Yes, think about it. A boring textbook, you read one page and you fall asleep. But your favorite TV show in English, you watch 3 episodes.
3 episodes? That's true.
You watch more, you listen more, and you learn more. All because you love it.
So the secret is make listening fun, not homework.
Exactly. Not homework, fun. If you love cooking, watch cooking videos in English. If you love football, listen to football podcasts. If you love music, read the lyrics and sing along.
Lyrics are the words of a song?
Yes, the words of the song. Read the lyrics, listen to the song, sing along. That's practice.
I love this tip. I already listened to English songs. Now I'll read the lyrics too.
And that's learning without even trying.
What do you listen to for fun, Judy?
I love cooking videos. I watch them every weekend. I always find new recipes, new ideas for cooking.
Cooking videos. That sounds fun.
And here's a tip. You can watch cooking videos in English. You'll learn new recipes and new English words. 2 things at once.
2 things at once. I like that.
And it won't feel like studying because you're doing something you love.
That's the secret. It doesn't feel like work.
It doesn't feel like work because it's not work. It's fun.
Tip 5. Listen to things you love. Make it fun, not homework.
Now let me put all 5 tips together for you. A plan. A simple plan.
I love a plan. Tell me.
Monday, you find a podcast at your level. You listen 1 time for fun. That's tip 1 and tip 2.
Find a level. Listen once for fun.
Tuesday, you listen to the same podcast again. This time, focus on the new words. That's tip 2 again. Listen twice.
Second time for details. Got it.
Wednesday, you watch a short video with English subtitles. Then watch it again without. That's tip 3.
Subtitles on, then subtitles off, then try something new.
Thursday, you listen to something new. When you don't understand, pause and repeat. That's tip 4.
Stop, think, listen again.
Friday, you listen to something you love. A song, a movie, just for fun. That's tip 5.
And Saturday and Sunday?
Rest your ears or listen to something you love all day. Your choice.
I choose listen all day to songs and movies.
That's perfect because even resting with English is practice.
I love this plan. 5 days, 5 tips, easy.
And here's the most important thing. You don't need to understand everything. Not today, not tomorrow. Understanding grows slowly, like a plant.
Like a plant, you give it water every day, and one day it's big and strong.
Your listening is the same. Give it a little practice every day, and one day you'll understand so much more than you do today.
Even this podcast is practice right now. I'm practicing.
Yes, right now your ears are working, your brain is learning. Every minute of English helps.
I believe that. I really do.
Okay, let's review.
Yes, let's see what we learned.
Today we talked about how to practice English listening. 5 easy tips.
Tip 1, find your level. Not too hard, not too easy.
Tip 2, listen twice. Big picture first, then details.
Tip 3, use subtitles. On, then off, then try something new.
Tip 4, pause and repeat. Stop, think, listen again.
And tip 5, listen to things you love. Make it fun.
We also learned some important words today.
Level, how easy or hard something is.
Subtitle, words on the screen.
Repeat, do something again.
Pause, stop for a moment.
And focus, pay attention to one thing.
Perfect. You remembered everything.
I learned a lot today.
And I think our listeners learned a lot too. Well, that's all the time we have for today.
Thank you so much for listening to Enjoy English Talks.
Yes, thank you everyone. It was fun.
Please subscribe to Enjoy English Talks
Give this episode a like.
and share it with a friend.
Now, we have a question for you today.
Yes, please leave a comment below.
Tell us, what do you want to understand in English? A song? A movie? A conversation with a friend?
We would love to read your answers.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone. Keep practicing your English.